Welcome and thank you for being here once again for this year of January 2026. Last year went by so fast, literally. So, um, these are the codes for Dr. Rosenthal for you to study for your NCE CPCE and CECE counseling exams. These codes are good until January 31st. And as always, if you want to set up a free 45-minute consultation to figure out what your flow is, figure out where the challenging areas are, to figure out how you can study best and the strategies that I've used to help students, please reach out to me. You can send me an email at genevaTutoringPrep@gmail.com, or you can leave a comment under this video and I'll reach right back out to you. And also, if you have not subscribed already, please do so. That allows me to support other people, and my video will be shared more and more. So thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing your praises and how good and how great you have passed your exams. As mentioned, these codes will expire January 31st. To log into your Wayground account, which is free, you will place these codes into the Join Game Access area. And then once you put the join game code in per subject, if you want to do human growth or social and cultural, you'll put the information into the Wayground and you'll go from there. There's no time set limit. You can always pause and come back to it. And you can also skip questions. So happy studying. And like I said, Happy New Year.